What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. I'm going to start off the day with Ethereum. Happy Tuesday. Currently sitting at 1400. We're up 0.68 on the day. Sitting a market cap of 163 billion. Where's my water? 24-hour volume, 14.57 billion. Feeling a little bit parched. If you're new to BitGet, make sure to sign up, grab up to $8,000 in bonuses. They recently partnered with Lionel Messi, and if you make your first trade of at least $100, you will receive a 10% rebate for my subscribers only, and you can sign up through the link in the comments. No VPN required for my US traders looking for an exchange. So let's hop into the charts. Going to start here on the daily time frame. So we've thrown back up into our bear flag, back above the 20 EMA. So we are hitting some resistance here at about 1386. But if we do break it, do expect you to push back up to the top of the flag at about 1458, which lines up with the resistance of this head and shoulders pattern. I do think there's a good opportunity of a rally in a couple weeks. On November 8th, we have the midterm elections. That will be a major catalyst and could definitely set off a rally to the upside, in my opinion. Now, looking at the Elliott wave count, you can see we had a nice bounce off the minimum target for a wave 2 at 1326, and we are pushing up impulsively here. So your 1.618 target for a wave 3 is here at 1509. Now, it can just reach the one extension of the 1.382, but usually it does push to the 1.618, which is currently at 1509, which would be a significant push to the upside. Then you would see a wave 4, wave 5. Now be very careful, because what I'm looking at, if I zoom out here, is potentially that we're seeing a pullback. So we've come down here in a wave 1, and then we're looking for a wave 2 pullback before seeing continuation to the downside. Now that can all be invalidated if we do come up and break 1784. That would give you a strong likelihood that you're going to put in a higher high, and would give a much stronger potential for a bottom being in for our friend ETH. So I'll show you guys the bullish wave count here. That we're starting to push up impulsively off a wave 2 pullback. So we pushed up in a wave 1, and then we had a regular ABC correction into a 2, and you're looking to push up in a wave 3, which will take you all the way up to about 3,000. That's the really bullish scenario. It's definitely on the table in my opinion, but what I'm expecting here is kind of a dead cat bounce or relief rally before continuing lower, but we'll have to see how it plays out. So in the short term, we've pushed back up into this pattern. So if we can get back above the 55 EMA, we push all the way up to 1458, and the EMAs start to see the bullish cross here on the daily, that can also be a beautiful sign of a pump to the upside. As you can see right here, we had the bullish cross. We did see a nice push before rolling over here. And if we go to some other examples, right here we had the bullish cross. We saw a nice push before continuing to roll over. And right here, the bullish cross, huge pump to the upside. Right here, the EMAs came really close. We saw a nice pump to the upside. So once again, if you see the EMAs have the bullish cross, we hold it as support. Could lead to a nice little push to the upside for ETH. And for the smaller wave counts here, we have a wave 3 target, the 1.618, coming in at about 1509. That's it for this little update. Make sure to sign up to BitGet, make your first deposit, email me your sign up email, and you have free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. And at the $10 membership, you can get my exact entries, exits, and take profits, as well as my analysis. Just recently gave a trade signal here. And you can sign up to the Patreon, which is in the description, as well as in the comment section, the Patreon link, if you'd like to. All right, that's it for this one. I will see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.